It's me, Bleau. So as you know, or probably know, Thanksgiving is coming up this week. And if you're like me and you like the turkey and the corn and pumpkin pie, you cannot wait. Well, if you can't wait, I have a treat for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin pie spice cake. It might not be the same as pumpkin pie, but it'll still satisfy your pumpkin pie needs. Let's get started. First you'll need pumpkin pie spice, all-purpose flour, pumpkin puree, sugar, whipped cream cheese, vegetable oil, baking powder and milk, measuring spoons and a whisk, and a coffee mug. Make sure it's microwave safe. This recipe is super easy, but it's still super yummy. So, let's get started. First thing you need to do is grease your mug, then pour 4 tablespoons of flour into your mug. A 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1/2 teaspoon of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree, and a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Put it in the microwave for 1 minute and 15 seconds. While we let that cool, let's work on the frosting. So get a bowl and combine a tablespoon of whipped cream cheese and a teaspoon of milk and a teaspoon of sugar. Now mix. Add your frosting and a little tiny sprinkle of pumpkin pie spice on the top. Time for my favorite part. So I'm not going to be here next week because of Thanksgiving, and I'm going to be spending it with my daddy. But you can enjoy pumpkin pie spice cake while I'm gone, and you can catch up on all the other past videos. And that's it. If you like my video, don't forget to check out all the other cool videos on Glitter Girls Club, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!